So I got two co-workers here at the shop, Romeo and Colleen Nicholas.
Hello.
Hi, Colleen. You can say hello to yourself on YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
And so Colleen saw the first Bombardier video there with Martina. They came in from Thompson, and they wanted a quick tour here, and Dad is happy to have them. Colleen also wanted to see the dogs. And so we're just about to show Colleen and Romeo the Larry's yellow Bombardier.
And then you look in there, you can see the motor compartment.
Yeah, I see it.
So Romeo's part of our maintenance crew out of one of our northern campuses here in Thompson. And then
It's a Chrysler. Oh,
he's thinks this is just the greatest. So he's already hopped in, but Dad's going to start it up now that he's turned everything on.
Okay, look at that.
Get in there, Romeo. Get in on the other side. So they're just going to fire it up here. Hey? That's what he's doing. So Romeo just hopped in. They're going to fire it up here. And haven't had it fired up since Larry and Martina were here last. Well, I thought they were going to run it out, but they just shut her down. So, yeah, Romeo's getting the introduction of bombardiering here. Maybe if you come back in the winter and we got one out, Romeo, we can take you guys for a tour.
When I worked in the north, building winter roads, we slept 8 in there, because we're constant time per month checking all the ice, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, with Martina's interest, now we got the second and third Bombardier enthusiasts from Philippines here. What do you think, Colleen?
Good.
Yeah?
Finally see it in person.
There you go.
Did you look inside?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, go look in.
Yes,
Dad'll, you get in on the other side. Dad can fire it up and show you again.
You don't have to start, you just look inside. This is the motor compartment.
They have a buyer already, that one.
It's already sold. The guy took a
You go ahead.
tour and spin around it and sold in an hour.
Oh man,
So,
it's nice.
yeah. So this is the stuff that Dad does, and we got those two muskeg tractors in the shop. Obviously, we're doing right now, and then we've got two Bombardiers that are coming in. So. And my dog's a murderer right now. She's caught herself another prairie chicken or something. Mouthful of feathers. So Dad is still giving Colleen a quick tour here. And Romeo was just mentioning here about the license plate. The customer who bought it actually registered in Saskatchewan. Some places you got to register them, other places not. But my recommendation is you do get it registered, so if anything does happen, at least you got the insurance.
You've been, it holds 18, but you can put 20.
What did you guys think? Pretty cool?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Happy you showed up?
You got a vehicle?
Yeah, we parked it at UCN though, Dad.
Okay, come with me.
So Dad's already got these guys some fish they can take home. So that's the complimentary gift basket is some pickerel fillets, and Dad's just gonna show them where he does all his dehydrating and whatnot. Yeah. What do you got there?
Dried carrots.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Try one of these.
That's all dried, by the way. It's gonna swell up in your stomach. You know that, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try it and see what you think.
So Dad's.
Yeah, you gotta finish your carrots.
Dad's just giving these guys a taste of his harvest
If you
here.
like any of that stuff, then I'll make it for you.
Yeah. Okay, it's Tuesday. I think it's the 28th. Anyways, Dad is still doing the priming here of all the peripheral parts. Half the stuff is gone already. He would have put it away. It would have been painted and done. So it's just a quick update just to show you guys that he's hard at this. And we got to do these doors down, grind them yet, and get them painted. So that's probably his next project. He's got to go to Swan River for a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Nothing major, just a checkup. And then he'll be back at this on Thursday. So that's it. Our visitors from yesterday, one has already left, and then my coworker, she's here for fish and dried fish and smoked meats, and there she's waving, and vegetables. So Dad thinks it's great that he's got more Filipino fans. And that's it for today, guys. Okay.
I got all my meat in here and fish,
Okay.
vegetables,
And well, there you go.
carrots,
Okay.
everything.
Yep, spaghetti,
So-
squash, carrots, and
Tomatoes.
So it was a positive trip then.
Yes.
Would you recommend it to other Filipino travelers?
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep.